In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine data from multiple sheets in Google Sheets. This is a super useful skill, especially if you're working with different datasets spread across various sheets within the same Google Sheets file. The process is quite simple, and by the end of this video, combining data will be a breeze for you. So let's dive into the details. First, let's get acquainted with what we're dealing with. Imagine you have two sheets named Sheet 1 and Sheet 2, each containing different sets of data that you need to merge into one comprehensive sheet. This might feel daunting if you're unsure where to start, but fear not. Google Sheets has a handy feature that makes this task easy using something called array formulas. To start combining your data, you'll primarily rely on using curly brackets. These curly brackets allow you to enclose the names of the sheets and the specific cell ranges you're interested in. Think of this as creating a map that Google Sheets can follow to collect data from the various sheets and merge them right in front of you. In the sheet where you want to combine your data, you have two options to specify your cell locations. You can either type the exact location manually, or you can simply use your mouse to click and select the desired data range directly from each sheet. For those who prefer the keyboard, typing might be the way to go. However, if you're visually inclined, using your mouse could be quicker and more intuitive. Let's go through a quick example. Inside your chosen sheet, you use the curly brackets to denote that you're about to specify a data range. Now, you would either type or select your data from Sheet 1 and follow it with a semicolon. This semicolon acts as a separator, much like a pause, indicating that you're adding more data from a different location. Continue this process with Sheet 2, being careful to close off your selection with another curly bracket when you're finished. Once you've carefully specified the data ranges you want to combine, the next step is simple. Hit Enter. Google Sheets takes this instruction and merges the data right onto your current sheet, organized exactly as you've specified. And that's all there is to it. With just a bit of practice, using these curly brackets and semicolons to join data will become second nature. It's a powerful tool for anyone dealing with multi-sheet datasets, and a great skill to streamline your data management tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has helped make combining data in Google Sheets a straightforward process for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Enjoy exploring more options within Google Sheets, and see you next time.